Brittany, we are going to shopping?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Mommy, where is me? That's the car shopping. Over here.
You're gonna make bracelets? Hmm? Did you pick what you want? That? No, anything else? Oh, we have nails at home. Pick something else. Nails at home. That?
Which one you want, Brittany?
You don't know?
Hmm?
Because you have everything already. That's the problem. That's the issue.
Mama, get this one.
That? Okay. Can you help?
Daddy, Daddy, I'm going to put this one, this one.
You sure you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Mommy.
Brittany,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm making a nail.
You making your nails? Wow. Can I see your nails? Wow. Brittany, what is that?
The tickle.
Sticker? What you gonna do with sticker? Huh? Gonna put on your finger?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Yeah.
Let's see.
And little
Huh?
let's have this one.
Show me.
And let's have this one.
Which one?
Wait a second, okay?
Wait.
Wait a second.
What are you doing?
Wait a second.
You have to finish your nails? What? Can you show me your nails? Wow, so pretty.
And let's have this one. And let's have this one.
Open?
Yeah.
Show us how you're doing your nails.
Daddy, I'm making my nails this way.
Wow. Are you done?
No finish.
You're not finished yet? Go, hurry up. I want to see your nails. Do you want to do Tati nails?
Yeah.
Go.
No move, Daddy.
I'm sorry. You finish?
Not finished.
Can I go?
Not finished.
Okay, I'm sorry. Wow, do you like doing nails?
Yeah.
Wow, you big girl, huh? You finished now?
I'm finished.
Huh?
No move, Daddy, okay?
No moving?
Yeah.
Oh, are we done?
Not finished.
Come on, I wanna go. I wanna go play.
Not finished, okay?
Oh, jeez, I wanna go play.
Not finished, okay? Not finished. Daddy?
Huh?
Not finished. Not finished.
Wait,
Give me your other one.
can I move?
No. Not finished. Give me the other one. Daddy, funny go in there.
Huh?
Funny go there.
Who's going there?
Funny go there. Daddy, funny go there.
No,
Funny go there.
no,
Play with the in the picture.
no. I wanna play with my phone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Daddy,
Uh-huh.
I'm not finished.
How much more?
Not much more.
Not much?
Yeah.
I wanna go play.
Top of picture there.
Huh?
Play there.
No, I wanna go play.
Put you play there and we play with this.
I wanna go play with my toys.
Play twice.
Yeah.